This stray dog was hit by a train, but she wouldn't be alive today without the help of the man who rescued her. She makes sure to let him know how much she appreciates him with lots of kisses.
Stand love you, Officer McMullen, for saving me.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean Dowling on Buzz 60, and this dog is a survivor. Her name is Miracle Molly. The 1-year-old stray pit bull wandered into a tunnel in Baltimore, Maryland as a train was approaching. It couldn't stop in time, and Molly was brutally run over, losing her hind leg and lots of blood. According to a Facebook post by the Baltimore Animal Rescue and Care Shelter, Amtrak employees put out an alert to stop all other incoming trains and rushed to the tracks to recover what they assumed would be a lifeless body, but she was still alive. Amtrak officer Kevin McMullen picked up her body from the tracks, and in that moment of horror and pain, she tried to cover him with kisses. Here's Miracle Molly today, going through crate training,
good girl,
undergoing laser treatment on her surgery site, and giving lots of kisses every chance she gets to the man who saved her life. McMullen has visited Molly several times since her accident, and is first in line to adopt her if all goes well once she meets his other dogs. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.